So welcome back. In this video we will see how to add money to CoinDCX. So first go to coindcx.com. If you have already created your account, then go to your profile section. Here you can see your name, email ID and your registered mobile number. After completing your verification and bank details, so once after updating your bank details, now you can add money to CoinDCX. So in the next step, click on funds and go to INR wallet. So INR wallet works just like a Paytm. You have to add amount to the wallet. So now you have to deposit your money into INR wallet. So this is a part of CoinDCX. So click on deposit INR to wallet and here enter the amount and click on I confirm that I will transfer only from my registered bank account, and here you can see the bank name and the account number. So click on continue. So here you can see transfer exactly 2000 rupees and you have to transfer to this account number IFSC code. So you can transfer using UPI or any platform like Google Pay, Phone Pay, etc. So remember that you have to transfer money from the registered bank itself. So the payment has been done at 7:42. So here you can see the time 7:42. So the payment has been done. Here you can see 20,000 INR deposit and it is in a pending. The amount is already refreshed and here you can see the 21 rupees become 2021. So this is the first step. So in the next step you are buying the bitcoins or any other cryptocurrencies. So for that you have two options. So first option, you can go directly to the quick buy and click on Insta. So in this feature you can buy BTC directly. Just click on 2000 and if you click on buy, you are going to buy. So I don't recommend to buy BTC using this feature because there will be a gap of 20,000 rupees between buy BTC and sell BTC. So this is not so convenient. So other than that, you can go to trade and click on spot. See, here you can see the BTC price is coming down and you can click on full screen to check this. So the maximum it went to 32 lakh 51 or 52,000. So exit, and in the right side you can see people are selling on this price and people wants to buy at this particular price. So I want to buy 2000 rupees BTC, so I will buy at the range of here this. So I clicked on buy BTC here. You will get this particular screen. Now at what price you want to purchase? So I want to purchase for 31,05,000. So I'll just click on this and here you can see the changes. If I click on this, here the price it will change. So always remember that you have to buy at the lower price and sell at the higher. Okay, the market is coming down, so I will purchase at 35. I will purchase at 31,05,000, and here the total amount will be 100%. So this is how I purchase the Bitcoin, and here click on buy BTC. The limit order is placed and here you can see one open order is there. So in this here you can see that my bid is at the top. So 31.3. Okay, my order is successfully placed and someone purchased my BTC as well. So here you can see there is no open order. So I purchased 2000 rupees BTC. So you can go to orders and click on order history. And here you can see all the order history. So if I go to my profile, So here you can see only 2 rupees is left and 19,000 BTC I have. So that's it for today. I hope you understood how to purchase a BTC. So if you have any queries, please do comment, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.